Keep in mind your patient may be nervous. It's okay to talk to your patient. It probably would put them at ease too. This could take a couple of minutes to draw the amount of blood you need. Okay. Looks like I almost have my 3 milliliters of blood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release my tourniquet, grab my gauze, fold it over once, fold it over twice, pull my needle out, apply pressure, immediately safety cap. In this instance only, we can sit the syringe down on our disposable chuck and finish bandaging our patient. Okay, we have our patient bandaged. Now the next step, since we drew this into a syringe, we now need to move it from the syringe into the evacuated tube. Very carefully,